Lafayette's warm, humid climate makes it essential for homeowners to choose building materials that can stand up to the weather while helping maintain indoor comfort. One upgrade that makes a significant difference, but is often overlooked, is installing energy-efficient doors. These modern doors are designed to reduce heat transfer, block drafts, and improve overall efficiency, making them a smart investment for homes across Lafayette. If you're looking to lower energy bills, improve comfort, and boost your home's performance, here's why energy-efficient doors are such a smart upgrade for Lafayette's unique climate. Reduce heat transfer in Louisiana's warm, humid weather. Lafayette experiences long summers with high humidity and steady heat. Traditional doors, especially older wooden or hollow core models, allow heat to enter your home easily. Energy-efficient doors, on the other hand, are engineered with materials designed to minimize heat transfer. These doors often include high-density foam insulation cores, thermally resistant fiberglass or steel shells, advanced weather-stripping low-E glass inserts on models with windows together. These features reduce the amount of outdoor heat that seeps inside. This helps keep your home cooler naturally and reduces the load on your air conditioning system during peak Louisiana summers. Lower energy bills year-round. When your door blocks both heat and humidity more effectively, your HVAC system doesn't need to work as hard. Over time, this leads to real energy savings for Lafayette homeowners. Energy-efficient doors help prevent conditioned air from escaping, keep indoor temperatures stable, reduce the need for constant cooling, lower overall utility costs. Because they perform well in both hot and cool seasons, these doors help homeowners save money all year, not just in the summer months. Improve comfort by eliminating drafts and hotspots. Drafts are not just a winter problem. In Lafayette's humid climate, warm air can enter through gaps in older doors, causing rooms to feel stuffy or unevenly cooled. Energy-efficient doors are designed to create a tight seal that blocks unwanted airflow. With better sealing, you'll notice fewer uncomfortable hot spots, more consistent room temperatures, less humidity entering the home, a fresher, cleaner indoor environment. This enhanced comfort is one of the biggest reasons homeowners choose energy-efficient doors for front entrances, back patios, and garage-to-home access points. Fight moisture and humidity damage. Excess humidity is one of the biggest challenges in Lafayette. Wooden doors can swell, warp, and rot when exposed to moisture over time. Modern energy-efficient doors are built using moisture-resistant materials that stand up to Louisiana's damp climate. Materials like fiberglass and composite blends offer excellent resistance to swelling and warping, protection against mold and mildew, longer-lasting durability, lower maintenance requirements. This helps your door keep its shape and insulation properties throughout the years, even in humid or rainy weather. Enhanced security with a tight, solid seal. Energy-efficient doors don't just improve comfort, they also improve home security. Their insulation cores, reinforced construction, and precision fit make them stronger and more difficult to breach than traditional models. Most energy-efficient doors include reinforced locking systems, heavy-duty hinges, solid cores that resist forced entry, impact-resistant glass. If applicable, homeowners get peace of mind knowing their door offers both efficiency and protection. Increased home value and modern curb appeal. Energy efficiency is one of the top features buyers look for when shopping for homes in Louisiana. Upgrading to an energy-efficient door improves curb appeal while also increasing the overall value of your property. Benefits include a fresh, updated appearance, modern styles and color options, improved resale value, strong buyer appeal. In Lafayette's competitive market, this makes energy-efficient doors a smart investment for both comfort and future returns. A smart upgrade for Lafayette's climate. Energy-efficient doors are one of the most effective upgrades Lafayette homeowners can make. With protection against heat, humidity, drafts, and rising energy costs, they offer year-round comfort and performance. Whether you're building new or upgrading an existing home, choosing an energy-efficient door is a decision that pays off immediately and continues to benefit your home for years to come. If you're ready to enhance comfort, reduce utility bills, and protect your home from Louisiana's climate, an energy-efficient door is the perfect place to start.